Just a quick video here of the Vhedia X2 dash cam. So this will plug into your Vhedia head unit, and what it does is it allows you to have like a dash cam in view and see like the footage on your actual like head unit. So it comes like a Pioneer Class 10 like SD card, 32 gig, perfect. Comes like a USB cable here and a port. So this plugs into one of the three USB ports coming out of the back of the Vhedia head unit. Run it up, sort of like normally like your pillar trim, and then into the top of your headliner. Tuck it out of the way, and then you'll see the actual unit here sticks on the dash with just like a 3M like stick pad. This is just like a locating plate, so you can actually take the unit on and off. So it just, when you take it off, you just need to pull the unit back up towards you, and that's how it will come off. So just leave yourself enough room to like the roof liner so you can get it off. This is the unit here. SD card slides into here. This is fully adjustable, so it's like perfect for like steeper windscreen models, just like the 70 series. So once you have like the camera here, I just like to take like the SD card out of the packet, and it goes in this way. So the label facing up and the shape on this side here, and you just got to push it and it will click in. Depending if you have fingernails or not, you can just you see that it has like clicked in now. So that's how it goes in, and to get it out, it's the same thing. You like push and it releases. So you could jam it in like this way, but make sure so the metal pins are facing down when you put it in. So that's how like it goes in like that. So put the SD card in first, and then like basically want to plug it into the like head unit so we can ensure that we have the correct spot for it. So plug the cable into it. This cable can only go in how it goes in. Plug the USB into one of the USBs coming out of the back of the head unit. Now in the head unit itself, you'll see device mount comes up. Now what we want to do is just want to go into here, go into the apps, into the APK installer, into USB 1. Then we just want to click on the UCAR app, install. Once that's installed, click open, and you can see we have the camera coming through already. So like that's the app, and you can obviously view it. There's a few basic like settings in here. That's like the playback, so that'll like show you all the current videos on there. A few basic like settings here. How long it records for, the brightness, if you need to reverse it, if you want like the GPS coming up, if you have audio on or off. Like about just like allows you to check for like a new version and update the app. So if we go back to like the home screen now, you can actually, if you like wanted to, you could put the app onto the home screen. You can see it's open there, and then over here we have some take snapshot and some other options. You can obviously make it come up look small here on the screen like that, and that's the app there. So this unit will be recording all the time as soon as you turn the car on. So that's pretty much how you like set it up and get the app working. And so now what you can like do is actually like stick it on the windscreen and like see where you want to put it, because you'll be able to see the video coming through onto the head unit. And then once it's like stuck on, you can like run the cable properly. And that's like basically how you use the X2 dash cam.